Are you bankrupt? Do you have bad credit? No credit? Need to rebuild your credit? If you answered yes to any of the preceding, Addison Credit can help. A car loan is the fastest and easiest way to rebuild your credit, and our team of financial specialists are here to help. We have a large inventory of vehicles to choose from and a wide variety of financial lenders that we deal with. You can get pre-approved for an auto loan in seconds. First, click on the Secured Credit Application button. Second, you'll be contacted by one of our financial advisors with a confirmation number of approval and to pick out your vehicle. Third, drive away. It's as easy as that. Let's get started and get you back on the road to rebuilding your credit.